In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use layers in Figma. Working with layers, open your design. Let's start with where layers live. In Figma, your layers are managed in the left sidebar, often called the Layers panel. This panel shows the structure of your file as a tree, with frames, groups, and individual layers nested inside one another. Think of it like folders and files on your computer. A frame might contain groups, and those groups contain the shapes, text, and components you see on the canvas. This structure helps you understand what's inside what, and makes it simpler to manage complex designs. Next is order, sometimes called the Z-index. Layers at the top of the panel appear in front on the canvas, and layers at the bottom sit behind. If something looks like it's hidden or stuck underneath another object, glance at the panel. You can fix the stacking by reordering layers. Visibility is controlled with the eye icon next to each layer. Click the eye to quickly hide or show that layer. This is great for reducing visual clutter while you focus on specific pieces of your design or for previewing alternate states without deleting anything. Locking is right beside it. Click the lock icon to prevent selecting or editing that layer. Locking is especially helpful for background frames or reference elements you don't want to accidentally move while working. For basic management, start by renaming. Double-click a layer's name and give it something meaningful, like header Fay logo instead of rectangle 23. Clear names make it much faster to find and select the right element later, especially in larger files. When it comes to selecting, you can click objects directly on the canvas or click their names in the panel. To select multiple layers, hold Shift and click each one. Once you have several objects selected, press Ctrl+G on Windows to group them. Grouping lets you move and manage related elements as a single unit while keeping their relative positions intact. To reorder and arrange your design, simply drag and drop layers up or down in the panel. Watch how the canvas updates as you move a layer higher or lower in the stack. This is the most reliable way to control what's in front and what's behind without disrupting your layout. Use these tools to gather structure, order, visibility, locking, clear naming, selecting, grouping, and drag Fay drop reordering to keep your files tidy and your workflow efficient. Thanks for watching.